As recently as Thursday morning, SpaceX sounded fairly optimistic that they would be able to launch their fully integrated Starship rocket as soon as Friday morning. But then Thursday afternoon, we see this, SpaceX destacking the rocket. Let's talk about why this is happening.
Shortly after sunrise on Thursday morning, SpaceX performed a test of the grid fins that surround the top of the Super Heavy booster. They're each powered by a separate actuator which sits within the booster structure. Before the hot staging ring was added to the design, you could see the actuators in top-down shots of the Super Heavy booster, as seen here during a static fire test in early August. These pieces control the hypersonic grid fins that, in turn, help control the trajectory of the booster during its descent, similar to the ones used on the Falcon 9 rockets. It's not entirely clear what flags were raised either during or after the Thursday morning tests, but by Thursday afternoon, SpaceX was once again destacking Ship 25 from its perch on Booster 9. In a post to his social media site X, SpaceX founder Elon Musk said, "We need to replace a grid fin actuator, so launch is postponed to Saturday." Following the destacking and shortly before 6 o'clock Thursday afternoon, SpaceX removed the hot staging ring from the booster. That allowed crews to get access to the actuators and further assess the situation. Close to midnight, 3 actuators were seen being removed from the booster. Those were replaced by new ones over the next hour or so, followed by some testing and checkouts. After a final test of the grid fins with the new actuators, the hot staging ring was added back onto the booster by about 2 a.m. Friday morning. Assuming all went well overnight, SpaceX should be restacking the rocket on Friday, paving the way for Saturday morning launch during just a 20-minute window. Reporting for Spaceflight Now, I'm Will Robinson Smith.